drive Mustang, my dream. This is the car I want to buy and eventually drive every day. But today is the day.
It's there waiting
For me.
There it is.
Ooh, I'm excited to test it. So hello guys, I've just finished my Mustang experience, which was amazing. 12 laps is exactly what you need for the first time. You get the feel of the car, and it was amazing because of the instructor. Obviously was great. If you have him for your experience, it will be amazing, honestly. And I had a well done once in 12 times, which is good. So I'm happy, and I wish everyone to try it because it's amazing. The sound of Mustang is just wow. Yeah, so thank you and see you soon.